Yeah. So here, if you see, simplifying of SOP expressions. So what you should do, this is the procedure. Okay. So plot of K map and uh, so plot of K map and place ones in those cells corresponding to ones in the truth table of SOP expression. Okay, wherever you have the output one, so you have you have to replace in the particular cell. Okay, check the K map for the adjacent ones and encircle those ones which are not adjacent to any other ones. Okay, so this is called isolate ones. Okay, now check for ones which are adjacent to only one other one and encircle each pair. So that means when you join two ones, okay, so that becomes a pair. Okay, so that means if you encircle two ones, that becomes a pair. Okay, so next check for the quads and octets for adjacent ones, even if it contains some ones that have been already encircled. That means here, suppose if you encircle 4 ones, that becomes a quad, and if you encircle 8 ones, that becomes a octet. Okay. So combine any pairs necessary to include any ones that have not yet been grouped. Okay. So any ones have not been included. So then you have to encircle those pairs. Okay. Now you have to simplify the given expression. So as you know, the last class I told you, pair will eliminate how many variables? It will eliminate one variable, and quad will eliminate two variables, and octet will eliminate three variables. Okay. So if you see, so this is a minimize the following expression. Okay. So a b bar c, a bar b bar c, a bar b c, a b bar c bar, a bar b bar c. Okay. So this is a three variable map. So how many cells you need to draw? 8 cells you need to draw. Okay. So uh, I will show you in the whiteboard how you can do. Okay. So if you see, so if you see this one. So what is my expression? Y equal to a b bar c. Y equal to y equal to a b bar c plus a bar b bar c, a bar b bar c. Okay. And next plus a bar bc, a b bar c, a bar b bar, a bar bc plus a bar bc plus a b bar c bar. Okay. So plus a bar b bar c. Okay. So this is plus a bar b bar c. Okay. So here what is this one? This is nothing but 101, and this is 001, and this is a 011, and 100. Okay. So 001. So this is nothing but the SOP form. So what is this one? So this is 5, and this is 1, and this is 3, and this is 4, and similarly this is 1. Okay. So here if you see, mm, so a bar b bar c, a b bar. Okay. uh, Sorry, this one is a bar b bar c bar. Okay, this is nothing but 000. So this is nothing but 0. So y in terms of summation, you can write capital M of 0, 1, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so like this you can write. And now coming to the K map. So this is a three variable K map. How many cells? So that means 8 cells you should draw. Okay. So total you have 8 cells, and this is nothing but A, and this is nothing but B. 0001 1011. Okay, 01. Okay, so what is this one? A bar, and this is A, and this is nothing but B bar, C bar, B bar, C, BC, B, C bar. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, now whatever the values are there, you need to write the ones. Okay, so that means here 1, 1, so 0, 1, 3, 4, and next 5. Okay, so 0, 1, 3, 4, 5. So here combining these 4 ones make a quad, and combining these 2 ones make a pair. Okay, so that means here what you are getting, here A will be eliminated and quad will eliminate one variable. No, okay, sorry, quad will eliminate two variables. So what you are getting, so A will be eliminated and B bar, so B bar is common and C will be eliminated. So what you are getting, B bar. Okay, so pair will eliminate one variable. So here A bar you are getting. Okay, so if you see these two, B bar and B bar will be eliminated. So C you are getting. Okay, why? Because you need to see the different terms. Okay, so here the common term is A bar and here common term is C. Okay, anyway B is eliminated. So what is my expression? Y equal to A bar C, A bar C plus B bar. So you can draw uh, with the logic diagram. Okay, if you ask the logic diagram, you can draw. Okay, now so next expression. So next expression, if you see y equal to a 4 variable map. Okay, so 4 variable map. So y equal to let us say a b bar, a b, a bar b, c bar d bar plus a bar b, c bar d, c bar d bar. Okay, this is a 4 variable map. Okay, so next a b c bar d bar, a b c bar d plus a b c bar d bar, a b bar c d. Okay, and next a b bar c bar d. Okay, plus a b bar c bar d plus a bar b bar c d bar. Okay, so a bar b bar c d bar. Okay, so uh, so so if you convert this one into binary, so what you are getting, this is nothing but 0 1 0 0, and this is 0 one second, so this is so here d bar is not there. This is true form. 0 1 0 1, 1 1 0 0, 1 0 1 1, 1 0 0 1, and next 0 0 1 0. Okay, so if you convert the following binary into decimal, so what you are getting, this is 4 and this is 5 and this is 12 and this is 1 0 1 0, 1 0 1 1 is 11 and this one is 9 and this one is 2. Okay, so here y equal to what? Y equal to summation of, okay, 2 comma 4 comma 5 comma 9 and 11 and 12. Okay, so this sum of terms you got, and next what you should do, you should draw the k map. Okay, so 4 variable k map. So this is a y of a comma b comma c comma d. Okay, so if you draw the k map, so a b c d. Okay, so this one is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, so this one is A bar B bar, A bar B, A B, A B bar, C bar D bar, C bar D, C D, C D bar. Okay, now 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 again 15. Okay, so this will follow the Greek word sequence. Okay, so so next you need to write the ones. So here 2 4 5 9 11 and 12. Okay, so these are the given values present in the expression. Okay, so these at least you need to write the one. Okay, so now next what you should do, so this one make one pair and this one make one pair, again this one make one pair. Okay, so here this is not making any pair or quad or octet, so single. Okay, so you can write this one pair will eliminate one variable, so here you can write A B bar. So what is common, you should see the common term, so common variable, this is nothing but D. Okay, now so if you see this one, so which one is common, B is common, again C bar D bar. Okay, and if you see this one, A bar B, A bar B, again C bar, A bar B, C bar. So this one you are getting A bar B bar C D bar, A bar B bar C D bar. Okay, so you got all the terms, all the min terms. Okay, so minimized min terms. So you can write y equal to what? Y equal to so A bar B C bar plus B C bar D bar plus A B bar D plus A bar B bar C D bar. Okay, so this is my expression. Okay, is it okay? Any doubts in this, students?
No, sir.
Okay, so we'll see one more expression. Okay, so reduce the following function using the K-map technique. Okay, so they can give like this. So they can give the variables or they can give in terms of a function. So y equal to summation of m of, okay, so here 0 1 4 8 9 10. Okay, so 0 1 4 8 9 10. Okay, so anyway if it is more than 7, so this is in terms of how many variables, 4 variables. Okay, A B C D. Okay, so they can give. Okay, so after getting the expression they will ask implement by using AOI and or invert, or by using the universal gate, either in terms of a NAND gate or NOR gate. So in that situation what you should do, so you have to draw the AND or invert gate. Again there is a procedure to convert AND or invert to NAND gate and NOR gate. So by using that procedure you can convert the given expression into the universal gates. Okay, so here this is a 4 variable map. So here if you see this is A B and this is C D. So total how many cells? 16 cells. Okay, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So what is this one? A bar B bar, A bar B, A B, A B bar. Next C bar D bar, C bar D, C D, C D bar. Okay, so 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, sorry So here you are getting 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So 12, here 13, 14, and 15. So it will follow the gray code sequence. No? Okay. So here you should write. So here 0, 1, 4, and next 8. Here 8 is there. 8, 9, again 10. Okay. So if you combine, so what you are getting, so combining these two ones, adjacent means corner ones, this make a quad. Okay. So that means if you write, so first of all I am grouping this, and next so this make one pair. Okay. Again this one and this one make one pair. Okay. You need to you need to there in a situation that you need to identify how many quads and pairs. Okay. So this is a quad. So quad will enumerate how many variables? Two variables. So that means if you see this one and this one, so which one is common? B bar is common. A is eliminated. Again, if you see this one and this one, this side, horizontal side, C bar is common. Okay, D is eliminated. B bar, C bar. Okay, B bar, C bar. And next, if you see the pair will eliminate one variable. So anyway, you are getting A bar, B bar. Sorry, this is A. So, so here this one is A, B bar, A, B bar, and combining these two, D is eliminated. So you are getting uh, sorry, C bar, C is different. So here C is eliminated. So which is common?
D bar.
You need to D bar, yeah, D bar. Okay, and next, if you see this pair, what you are getting? A bar, A bar, and next C bar, D bar, A bar, C bar, D bar. Okay, so that means function f of A, B, C, D. So you can write uh, A, B bar, D bar plus A bar, C bar, D bar plus B bar, C bar. Okay, so like this you have to write. Okay, so